Hey, good evening, everyone. I just want to do my trade recap for May 16th. I took 4 trades. Definitely overtraded today due to boredom because it was slow in the markets. Not very happy with that. 3 out of the 4 were green, so I mean it turned out all right. But it's definitely a lesson learned. When it's slow, just sit on your hands. So I'm kind of slapping my knuckles for that. But I mean it all turned out. So anyways, we'll get into it. First trade I took was ABIL, very low volume play. Um, kind of is what it is. This is what put it on my radar. I saw it pop up. It hit my. This is where I really noticed on that candle there. It was such a low volume play. I believe this. I spiked the stock, which I don't like because that's pretty much the amount of shares I had. I had about 2,500 shares in. Um, so it popped up. This candle here, I mean, it was such a low volume play and so volatile. It was like, Jesus. I mean, I didn't like it. I figured volume was going to come right into it, but it looks like it did, but that's really not a lot of shares. So I sold on this push here. Made a quick 10-15% on it. So I was pretty happy with that, but at the same time, trading out of boredom. So, I mean, that turned out well. The second trade I took was none other than Mankind. This piece of garbage. So funny. Anyways, I ended up, this was a complete just luck out play. I'm not trying to pretend that I knew that this was going to happen. What I wanted to do, we'll look on the daily chart here. I noticed it was the first green day as soon as it kind of popped up over this, the 9 EMA. That's what got me interested. I just wanted to hold some shares overnight and see if I could catch a morning spike in the morning. But I ended up selling out because it gave me this nice quick pop. It was almost like the second I bought it, it popped up. So I sold on this push. I gave it some time. As soon as I saw it giving back that little bit, I was like, fuck it, I'm out. So came away really good with that. I was really happy with that. Like I said, no skill involved, complete luck. Uh, and then my third trade was a pink sheet, which I haven't traded in a very long time. Um, it's kind of nice that they're kind of coming back. So anyways, I ended up, let me get this here. So I got in as soon as my entry was 1069. So I got in pretty much right at this break. My computer's being awfully silly today. Okay, there we go. So I got in as soon as it broke that. You can see it's kind of on breakout. And I was looking to kind of hold this. I was thinking about a swing trade. Now, I don't know. I'm kind of choked. I ended up selling out because it kind of broke that line in the sand for me, and these are pretty hard to get out of if it really starts dumping. So I just decided to get out. As soon as I got in, it kind of did this because I kind of bought on. It looked like it was about to pull back. I was gonna wait till the 9 EMA, but it ended up taking off. So I should have just sold into this because I mean that's a good trade right there because I had quite a few shares on it. And it ended up pulling back, which is fine, but it pulled back a little further than what I wanted. I always like a little bit of distance in my OTC plays if I'm going to hold them. Just because, like I said, they can if they do dump out on you, it's pretty quick. And then my last play was DGLY. Caught it on some news, hit a Twitter feed, and it popped up. I hit it on the pullback here and kind of sold it as it was pulling back. That's about it. Those are my trades for this evening. Thanks for your time.